There's a red. Yeah, it's going right.
Oh, yeah,
right. The timer.
Okay.
I think.
We're looking at the Sheyenne River here, down at the Sheyenne Owego property. Just west of the bridge, there's a perfect circle of ice, probably close to 50 feet diameter, spinning in the river. It's an amazing wonder. I don't have a clue how it did it, but that thing is rotating, as you can see. That's at least 50 feet across. We're looking down at the Sheyenne River, and there's an amazing wonder. Brian and Colton saw this thing. They said, come on and see it. It's just west of the bridge in Owego Township on the land here. There's a big sheet of ice, a disc, probably 50 feet in